A murder investigation is underway after police found a man stabbed to death in the bedroom of a unit in Sydney's West. Today's Sydney reporter Chris Urquhart is in Hebersham this morning. Chris, what's the latest there from police?
Okay, so the latest is that the forensic services have remained on the scene here throughout the night, and they're still inside this unit gathering a great deal of evidence which they've been bringing out throughout the early hours of this morning. This was after police came down to the unit complex at about 7:30 last night, where they found this man dead inside one of those units. It appeared at least that he had been stabbed to death. Obviously a significant crime scene was formed here at the time, and police have remained on the scene here ever since. The man, we're told, is yet to be formally identified, but obviously that will be one of the processes that police look at as they try to piece this together. There are several units in this block, so there may be a good chance, obviously, of them speaking to local residents and getting a better sense of who this man was and any suspicious circumstances that have led up to this. But certainly it is being treated as a homicide investigation. Local detectives looking into it, but they're also getting the help of the State Crime Command as well. So early stages of the investigation, but as we've said, a man found dead in a unit here at Hebersham last night. Sylvia.
And that number for Crime Stoppers, 1800 333 000. Chris, thank you.